Limited resources. Here, this is a demonstration of how to attach 2 valves to 1 shower unit. And so what we do is, by default, it already comes with 1 valve, standard. Sometimes in certain locations, you might need to add a second valve, control fluid. And so in order to do that, we have to add another valve. And the way we do that is we need a separate DC converter. And the converter has 2 wires coming out of it. One is has a white marking, which signifies the ground, and the other one does not have a white marking, which is more black, and that is the power. And so the white one goes to the ground, and the other one goes to the yellow, or whatever we designate as the power wire. See that this is the connection. The valve is closed, and once we plug it in, the valve opens. So as you can see, we have 2 open water valves. Once again, this is for limited resources or payboxtimer.com. Our shower units are able to run 2 valves at the same time, with the addition of an extra valve and a DC adapter.